In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a plan to your SharePoint site. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft. Now, once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to just proceed to sign in into an account with a paid subscription. So if you have an individual account with a paid subscription, just head over and sign in. Or if you have an account under an organization with a subscription, proceed to sign in there as well. You can get your planner for iOS and Android as well. Now head over and then sign in by inputting your email, phone, or Skype, as well as your password and signing in into your account. Now here is my actual planner. So to add a Microsoft Planner plan to your SharePoint site, go first into your SharePoint. Into this part, you just need to create a new site right here by clicking onto this create site. You can choose team site or communication site based on your liking. So for example, I'll choose in here this communication site. You can see in here some samples that you can actually use. I'll choose in here this project management site. From in there, proceed to click onto this use template option. In here, input a name for that, email address, as well as, and then from in there, click on this create site option. So what this will do is this will set up this particular site for this group. While that is setting up, let's head over right here into our plan. Then head over right here to this My Plans option available. From in there, you can see in here this. So just choose right here the plan that you wish to add. So from in there, just select this plan, click on these three dots, and click on this copy link. And then for that, let's head back to our SharePoint. And once it's done setting up, you can proceed to add the link for your plan into this particular site that we have created. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out right there. Thank you so much for watching.